I have 4 parts in this assembly inside SolidWorks, but none of them are visible. They are somewhere outside. So how to get those 4 parts somewhere here in a visible area? Well, go here up onto the red SolidWorks logo, come to the right to View, Modify, and we could use this orientation. Spacebar is the hotkey. And now here we have those 4 elements, those yellowish. If I hold down the scroll wheel of the mouse, then I can rotate it and I can see that they are there on the right side. So I can click on this portion, left side, right side, and that brought to the front 2 of them. Now I can hold down the Control key and press down the scroll wheel of the mouse and I can bring them here. So that's one method. They were basically pushed to the side. So Control and push down the scroll wheel and they were somewhere there. Okay, another method to bring those parts to the center of the screen is go back to View, Modify, Zoom to Fit. F is the hotkey. But now it's working, but before it didn't work. So Zoom to Fit can also bring the parts back to the center, or Control and scroll wheel. Another method is to right click on these parts and use this magnifying glass, which is Zoom to Selection. Click on the magnifying glass and that also brought the 4 parts into the center of the screen. And I can zoom in and out and I can rotate them. So those are 3 methods on how to bring your parts back to the center of the screen in SolidWorks.